Hello everyone, this is day one of being in Ecuador. We just got to the hotel that we're going to be staying at before we go to Tana, Ecuador. Right now, I think we're still in Quito. It was pretty foggy. I'll insert a video that I took, but it was pretty foggy outside, so it could look kind of eerie. And the bus like low-key took us off some like trail, but it was still like a paved road, but it was still pretty cool. The shower is clean, warm water. Here's the hotel that we're staying at. Me and my friend Isla. We have our own beds to ourselves, thankfully. And there's Wi-Fi. So far, it's pretty good. There's gonna be a lot of people to get to know, but I'll insert more clips as we get on. But this is gonna be a good night for now. Generally, I've been running on no sleep this entire time. So I definitely have to get my Z's in. Tomorrow we'll be up bright and early at 8 to go visit a temple, get some breakfast, and go to our main resort. Look how cute the bed is. On our second day, we did a lot more. I'll show you some clips. We just came back from orientation and from visiting a temple and Akim University. It was really insightful, but I'm really tired. The sun goes down pretty early here, but good night.
Bamboo shoot.
Hi. So today we're gonna be using
I'll carry this one. You guys, can you pull that out and cut the next section? Yeah. Fungi, neither one who can survive without the other. Because the fungi doesn't exist if the leafcutter ants don't get the leaves for them. But the ants don't exist if the fungi don't make food for them.
Y'all, this was so beautiful. I mean, everything from the forest to like taking trails around the area. I was so happy.
This bridge
wow.
is so scary.
So we had to do a lot of cutting bamboo and characterizing it so that we can build the proper structure later. But honestly, the worst part of it was just carrying the bamboo up the hill in the mud. But hey, we're helping out. That's it. Bye.
Monkey, tamarins, look. Small monkey. On your left side.
Traveling to Tena, Ecuador was another check off my bucket list. But more than that, it helped me really solidify my goals in life, my career values and intentions. I got such an insightful experience working with Regeneration Field Institute to help build a bamboo bathroom structure for a bamboo processing center, a Cerro Vegetal ran by indigenous women. It was such a meaningful experience. I got exposure to so much building technology, so much information, and really valuable insights and lessons about the potential for bamboo and the things that are implicating its ability to be used in the workforce. Thank you to everybody that helped me on this trip, but I feel like most of all, it helped me take a step away from the things that were bothering me and stressing me out. And it gave me time to think about what truly matters, how I can help this world, and allowing me to make connections with those around me.
So when we are gonna harvest bamboo, we have to start in the very early hours of the day, 5 a.m.
De 3 a 5 de la mañana a cortar el bambú. Pero solo va a dejar entrecortado, ¿no? Para que comience a bajar el agua.
So in between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. you start like partial coat of the bamboo, so the water can start to come out.
Ya.
Que no he cambiado, aún estoy enamorado, lo más que ayer. Quizá te comentaron que a solas me miraron llorando tu querer.
Okay, it is Friday. It has been a whole week so far of being in Ecuador and just experiencing all that RFI has to offer. Coming back from going to the river, eating dinner, and then just chilling with some Wi-Fi for a while. I have to take a shower right now. They're gonna go on a night hike, but I'm a bit exhausted, so I might just either head back to the Wi-Fi zone or just head to bed early for the night. We'll see what my energy levels are giving, but I'm about to go shower right now. It's been pretty fun. Today we didn't really do much, but we got to go into town and get some drinks, so that was fun. Bye, guys. I know. How do you find out this place?
Su respectivo significado. A ver, facilito.
Just woke up. It's our last day. We're gonna be boarding the plane today. My flight is boarding at 11:14. Here's the airport fit. It's been an adventure. City of stars.